Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Patel. I'm going to be talking about this week's assignment in this brief video. So last week we considered multiple intelligences, and this week we're going to consider personality types and our tendencies. So the most famous personality inventory is called Myers-Briggs, and that's what we're going to be using today. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at this 4-question quiz. So here's question 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you click on this link, it will take you to an image that you can zoom in on. So I suggest that. So for each question, you're going to consider the question, the description giving, and then decide which of these you are. So by the end of the 4 questions, you should have 4 letters like E, N, T, P, or I, S, F, J. And you'll be writing those letters into these 4 boxes. That corresponds to one of 16 personality types. So then when you zoom in on that image, you'll find the box that goes with the 4 letters that you got. For example, this one. You'll read it and then explain whether you feel it matches you or not. Next, you're going to complete a more detailed personality type inventory. So if I click on the link, this is what I'll see. So you scroll down, and you can go through and take this quiz, just like that. And then you keep going, and then you'll get the 4-letter combination from that quiz. Next, you're going to be going to this website. If you scroll down, the 16 personality types are right there. So whichever one that you got from your quiz, you click on, and here's a description of it. So what you'll do is you'll read through that description and decide what the strengths and challenges are for that personality type, and finally whether or not that personality type fits you or not. Next, you're going to go to this website to explore careers. And so you'll find the personality type that you got from the quiz and click on it. And then if you scroll down, you'll see some possible career paths. So my question to you is, are these types of career something you have thought about or not? Or you could do a little reflection. You can click on the other personality types too and see more careers. And that will be the end of the personality types, and then we'll be moving into the 4 tendencies. So the person who designed this felt like we could divide people up according to 4 tendencies. And of course, it's kind of like a Venn diagram where people aren't just in one area all the time. You know, they can jump from circle to circle or be in between. So you're going to be watching this video, and that's going to go through and explain each of the 4 personality types, and as you watch, you'll take some notes. What are the strengths and weaknesses of people with this tendency? You'll predict your own tendency, and you'll take this last quiz, and you'll get a result, and you'll explain whether or not you agree with it. Next week, we're going to spend some time chatting with each other about all of this work that we did. We'll be sharing with each other about our multiple intelligences, personality types, and the 4 tendencies. If you have any questions, again, my email and cell phone number are in that introductory letter that I sent out last week. Thank you.